Death, I hate you. Death, you are an enemy. You are pernicious and noxious. Death, you are destructive, menacing and toxic. You are truculent, pestilent and malignant. Death, you are malicious, ruinous and injurious. Death, you are negative and antagonistic. Death, you are unsympathetic. Death, you are bad and mad. You are inimical and adversarial. You are belligerent and arrogant. I have so many tears to describe you than words. You are bellicose and aggressive. You are inconsiderate. You are horrendous. You are a merciless invader. Death, you are an enemy. Death, you have given us another painful blow. You have made us grab the sharp edges of a hot sword using bare hands. Pastor Takura Carlos Rukuni is no more. He was part of the remnant pastoral fellowship of the unashamed. For we are not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. But death keeps on taking from us. You robbed us of other gallant soldiers of the cross. Death, you are an enemy. Pastor Tobias Mavela, Pastor Jotam Manyakara, Eugenie French, Wongani Masekezi Ngube, Pastor Charles Madembo, Pastor Mkanda Vute, Pastor Jimmy L. Piri, Paul Muhlanga, Mika Maponga, Vachirobe na Vachiduza. They are also no more. Death, you are an enemy. You forcibly removed the hands of Michael Chigogora from the handles of the gospel plow. Death, you are an enemy. Victor Mashoko is no more. Pastor Makause, Pastor Marofa, Pastor Maisha, Pastor Zembe, Pastor Oshewe Kunze, Pastor Kuandira, Pastor Bonwo Mwinga, Roni Ulawayo, Stenio Gunga Du, Pastor MF Ndlofu, Pastor Mukhao, and Pastor Ngaliwa. The list is endless. You robbed us of Dr. Leonard Masuku, Dr. Ezekiah Mafu, Pastor Mataba, Pastor Point Dube, Pastor Inos Bebe, Pastor Point Nimrod Moyo. The list is endless. Death, you are an enemy. Now you have taken our colors. If picks and shovels would you speak, they will say they are tired of burying pastors and movers of the Great Commission. Death, you are an enemy. Death, you are an enemy. Medication and meditation has failed to stop you. Exercise and diet can't permanently deter you. Death, you are an enemy. Death, it won't be long. You are the last enemy to be destroyed by Christ. Christ will decimate you. Death, you shall succumb to death. Death, it might be the dawn or dust, but you shall bite the dust. Death, you shall kick the bucket. Death, you shall give out the ghost. Death, you shall expire and disappear. Death, you want to triumph over the trumpet, for the trumpet of Christ shall sound, and the dead in Christ shall be resurrected. Death, your evil is invisible, but you are not forever invincible. One glorious morning, I shall wake up to interrogate you. Oh death, where is your victory? Oh death, where is your sting? Christ is a victor over death. May you make Jesus the caretaker of your life before the undertaker deals with you. When the trumpet shall surely sound, the undertaker will give in to the uppertaker. Death, you shall be normal.